tossed with storm and pain. He is building beauty from your rain. With stones of color, foundation secure. His promises forever endure. Your children shall know His perfect way. Great shall be their peace each day. No weapon formed against you shall prosper.
Your Redeemer walks beside you, stronger.
In righteousness you will stand tall. The Lord Most High is over all. No weapon formed against you shall prosper.
His loving kindness leaves you never.
When darkness tries to cloud your sight,
His mercy leads you
into light. Enlarge the place of your tent. Do not hold back, believe again. Lengthen the cord, strengthen the stakes. The Lord is moving, make room for grace. Every tongue that rises shall fall. My inheritance belongs to the Lord. From the ashes He lifts the weak. Strength for the humble who seek. His compassion will not fade away. His covenant stands forever and always. From generation unto generation He remains my